In this video, we'll show you what to do if your ASUS laptop is not detecting the external monitor. So the first thing you need to do is reset the graphics driver on your ASUS laptop. You can do this by pressing Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B together. Once you do this, your screen will flash for a second and you should be able to use the external monitor after that. However, if that doesn't work, right click anywhere on the desktop and then go to display settings. Now in the settings window that opens, you will need to scroll down and go to this detect other display and then click on this detect button. If you see this error that says we didn't find another display, what you can do is press Windows plus P on your keyboard and this will open this project menu. Now here you will need to select this duplicate or extend option and see if that gets the Windows laptop to detect the external display. However, if that doesn't work either, what you can do is right click on the start icon and then go to device manager on the list. Now in the device manager window, you'll need to expand display adapters. Now here right click on the display driver and then select disable device. Now click on yes to confirm. After disabling the device, right click on it again and then select enable device. This should hopefully fix the problem. However, if the issue persists, right click on the driver one more time and then select uninstall device. Now tick this checkbox and select uninstall again. Once you have done this, go to this monitor section. Now here right click on the monitor driver and then select uninstall. Now click on uninstall one more time. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your ASUS laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, you may need to hard reset your ASUS laptop. For this, shut down your ASUS laptop completely and then disconnect everything from it, including the monitors, HDMI cable, the charger and all the other USB accessories. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button on your ASUS laptop for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, simply plug the charger back in and then plug the monitor back in as well and then try to turn on your ASUS laptop and it should then detect the second monitor. However, if it still doesn't, there may be an issue with the HDMI cable that you are using. Simply try replacing the cable and then try using a different HDMI port if available and see if that fixes the problem.